Hi, my name's Greg Hodgson. I'm the producer of the course that you're enrolled in, Digital Creativity in the Classroom. I just want to look at how we go about reviewing assignments. So if you're taking the course and you've submitted your assignment, you'll be familiar with the screen that I'm looking at now, and you'll be able to put your title and add your ideas there. Well, if I go in here, I can actually start to look at some of the assignments, and I think part of the course is for you to complete 3 feedbacks. That's giving 3 of your colleagues in the learning community for this course some feedback. We would quite like you to think about the feedback that needs to be positive, constructive, possibly critical, but we want you to really think about how people might construct learning from you, and that's what we're all about. We're about improving, making progress. So the first thing I would say to you is, if you are rating 5 stars to 1 star, we need to think about what those might mean, and I'll post this rubric into the course so you can have a look and see if you agree, but I want to give you some suggestions. Number 1, feedback via ratings. If you're giving them 1 star, we're saying it's unusable. This rating is probably for classmates' assignments where there's some kind of technical error and it can't actually be used. It might be the way they've posted, or something that they've done that's not correct. You might be able to offer them an insight how to correct it, or think about where they might have gone wrong. 2 stars, which comes up as weak. Now you're only really going to rate this if they're possibly missing some crucial portion of the task. For example, if they've been assigned to create 5 layers in an assignment and they've submitted 50 layers, you might be able to explain why they've done that and what that's about. 3 stars, which is a satisfactory rating. In your class assignment, this might meet the requirement of the weekly task, but the majority of the assignment should receive 3 or higher. It's is it satisfactory? The work I'm actually looking to in the current course here, I think, is really quite strong, yet the grading isn't reflecting that. 4, strong. I would say most of these are quite strong. These are people thinking about the task, which is to ask you to consider what creativity is all about, particularly in relationship to education. So if you're giving 4 stars and assigning this rating to your classmates' assignments, maybe they're exceeding the requirements of the weekly task, or there's something exceptional or something very strong about what they're saying or what they've done. It might not be completely outstanding, because if it was, you might be giving that the 5-star rating, which comes up as outstanding, and you'd be giving this to somebody where there's something really impressive or exemplary, otherwise exceptionally wonderful or awe-inspiring work. And we are going to see some of that. I've run this course on a couple of occasions, and we will see some really incredible stuff. So, in terms of your feedback, think about being positive. And if we are actually looking at anything over and above this, I would say that maybe when you're feeding back to the 3 colleagues that we've requested, number 1, provide 1 piece of praise. Be praiseworthy, be positive, say something that you like about the work. Number 2, maybe ask a question. What does it make you wonder? How does it make you feel? What could it go on and become? What's the next stage? And then number 3, provide a suggestion for revision. How could it be improved? What could they do? Have they thought about this? Do they know about this artist or this photographer? Have they considered these things that they could go on and do with it? So that's just some thoughts and ideas. As I said, I'll put that rubric into the course so you can review that in text as well as through the video.